How to get $30 Uber Eats promo code. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can get the $30 Uber Eats promo code. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start. First thing first, you just need to open up your browser and search for Uber Eats promo code, or you may just directly go to google.com and search for Uber Eats promo code. After that, you should be able to find a bunch of links where you can get different kind of codes for Uber Eats. So what you're gonna do is I'm just gonna click on the first link that says couponfollow.com, where you can find different kind of promo codes. So here I'm just gonna look up for a promo code with $30 off. You just need to scroll down a bit until you are able to see $30 off. Just search for the $30 off one promo code. If you find a $30 off promo code, what you're gonna do is simply head over to that promo code. Right now I'm using this $15 just for an example. After that, you'll be able to see this code here, simply code. You may just copy this promo code and use it in the Uber Eats app, or you may just redeem directly at Uber Eats. Simply tap on redeem at Uber Eats. After that, it will take you to another page where you can easily redeem your Uber Eats promo code by entering your Uber login process, and you should be able to do it very easily. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.